Today we are going to look inside the TXUltimate series from SONOFF. This is the Wi-Fi switches for 2-gang and 3-gang models that you can control the lighting and other functions by them, and using different scenarios and smart scenarios, define them in the panel. If you look to the boxing, it can support the voice control features by the assistants from Google Home and Alexa, and also you can have the remote control by the eWelink application. You can define the smart scenarios. You can use the ambient lighting feature, and also it has the touch vibration inside. So when you are working with the panel, it can give you feedbacks of the actions. Also, it has an alarm function you can define by the application. In some occasions, it can go to the alarm mode with a blinking color and also making a voice. And also you can use this device for the function of the bell, so you can hear a ring when needed and someone at the door. If we look inside the box, you can see the device here with line in and neutral connection. Also, it can give you the 3 outputs from here, so it is easy to wiring, and you can just put the line in and neutral wires and then connect your lightings to the outputs. And if you see the features, it can handle 5 amperes per gang and totally 15 amperes of the current consumption at the voltage rate at 100 to 214 voltage, and it supports 15 or 16 hertz of frequency, and the LED uses 150 watts of power. It's forced on the Wi-Fi mode, so it is easily can be defined in your modem router and can be added to the eWelink application. So if you want to open the device and install it, you can use this gray cover and remove it to make your SKUs. The needed SKUs are in the box, included in the box of the device, and also the user manual inside the box. You can see and see further features on this, and the wiring of the device as I explained to you. That's very interesting that you can use the ambient lighting features of the device in the mode, and also you can change it from the application. And also it has some choices for the switch covers. I have 2 models here for the star and also for the kids, and you can easily switch the main cover of the panel and use those covers to change the look of the panel. And I think the people will enjoy it when they can customize the panel and change the features. Let's look what happens when we connect the main powers and see some basic features of the device. So I have connected the neutral wire, and I can connect the line in to power on the device and set this up, so to make sure that it is safe. Because it has no protection cover, you must take care when working with the device. And let's see the turn on function. So when we turn on the panel, you can see the blinking lights on this, and we can use the functions to turn on and turn off the lights with different gangs. It has a touch vibration feedback, and also it has a color feedback and sound feedback. And also using the swipe function, you can define the different modes and also different scenarios. With the swipe function, you can change them, and easily you can set it up on the eWelink application for different functions that we will see in the next videos.